If your iPhone photos aren't backing up to iCloud, don't panic. I'm gonna show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure iCloud Photos is enabled. And for that, go to your Settings app and tap on your name at the top. Then, tap on iCloud and go into Photos. Here, make sure Sync this iPhone is turned on. If it's still not syncing, check iCloud storage space. And for that, go back to the iCloud menu and tap on Manage Storage. If your storage is full, photos won't back up. You might need to free up some space or upgrade your plan. Next, connect to Wi Fi and charge. iCloud backup usually needs a Wi Fi connection and your phone to be charging and locked. So, plug in your iPhone and connect to a stable Wi Fi network. Next, check if your phone is on low power mode. And for that, go back to the main settings menu and tap on battery. Then turn off low power mode if it's turned on. When it's on, iCloud backups might be paused. And if nothing works, try restarting your iPhone. A quick restart can fix temporary sync issues. Just hold the power button and slide to power off. Then turn your phone back on after a few seconds. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.